Alright, hello. I'm going to be starting where I left off last time, but this time I'm starting off without the screws in it because I just didn't want to do it. First, we're going to take the battery out, just not short anything out. I've done it before and it messed up one of my old phones. You're going to want to take off this frame. Try not to rip the motherboard off. That would be very bad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off the screen. For that, you will need to take off all these little connectors. You could pull them out too. That'll probably make it easier on you. Yes, just make sure you get them all out. Don't lose the cameras either. Get that one for the screen. This is the screen one. Once you've done that, you should be good. Lift up right here and push, pull back, push, push, pull back. And there goes the motherboard. Now, in order to replace the screen, you'll have to put a pry tool underneath this, which I will probably not be doing in this review, or disassembly, just because I've replaced it before. And I wouldn't like to break what I have. You can probably get it off. I just really don't want to break it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But when you buy a screen, this is what it will look like. I just basically showed you how to take the motherboard off. If you buy a screen, it'll be with this frame. But yeah, from here, I'm just gonna put it all back together. I don't want to take off the screen because I will probably break my LCD, which is very fragile, extremely fragile. I have broken it before doing this. Do not want it happening again. Okay, make sure this is all put in. Connect your screen ribbon first, then back facing camera. You have to line it up perfectly and it'll snap in. It can be difficult. There we go. Then we need to put this front facing camera in. Put it in like that. Make sure it goes all the way in. Snap it down. Then we will need to put this frame back on. There we go. Make sure to clamp this, push it down. This fingerprint sensor likes to stay up. Now we will put the battery in. Make sure it turns on first. It does. Perfectly. Drop it there. Now, just put all the screws back in where you took them out. There we go. There's one. This loudspeaker is magnetic and it likes to catch the screws, so be careful of that. You could actually use that to hold your screws, but I wouldn't recommend it unless you're going to be inside there for a while. They just get cramped and be in the way, and if you knock it over, you lose your screws. Now with a new phone, I don't recommend putting it on a table like this, because you might scratch up your screen. There could be glass particles here, sand, anything that could hurt your phone. That would not be very good. I mean, I don't really care because I do have a new phone, and it wouldn't matter. But I still do not want to break it. We have 2 more screws to put in, which I'll put one right here. One right here. And then one right beside the battery. That will be our last screw. There we go. Now we put the back panel back on.